Well, Happy New Year, Merca. And to celebrate the new year, I'm gonna punish everybody by playing some random wonderful Amiga games. Starting with this one. So here we go. But first, let's look at the greatness of this opening here. And the music. Listen to that music. Listen. That's Peter Parker, and it looks like he's... jizz is coming out of his hand. Is that supposed to be a web? Or is that jizz? I don't know. I can't tell. Let's see. Should we play in English? Or should we play in 4 languages I don't understand? Let's try English. I barely understand it anyway. Hello. There we go. Let's see. Let's play the game. Spidey take 0. Or quit the game. I think we're gonna play the game, right? That's what we're here for. We're here to play. We're here to play Spider-Man on the Amiga. Look at the top scores. Aunt Mary. What? What? I wanted to read that. There. Peter Parker, Mary Jane, Rick, Cream Pie, Freya, SZA. Dude. Amp, Joe Robertson, Flash Thompson, Colin Elfie, Cheesecake, Mysterio. Okay. Was that too much asked for, goddammit? Jesus. Alright, I'm pressing buttons, but nothing's happening. Direction pad works, though, so that's promising. Oh, God. That looks like Spider-Boy. That's supposed to be a web? Why is Spider-Man bigger than the helicopter? Wait. Dear God. Oops. I had a choice. I was either going to play Spider-Man for the PS5, which I do have. I bought the PS5 bundle, the slim one, with Spider-Man 2. And I literally haven't played 1 second of it because I'm afraid. So I decided, you know what? In order to get myself prepped and prepared to play that game, I'm going to play The Amazing Spider-Man for the Commodore Amiga. So here you go. Near Spider-Man. Practicing taking a dump. What the fuck is this guy? Can't do anything? Oh, okay. Is he dead? What the fuck? Oh, I thought Spider-Man was dead or something. What? What just happened? Okay. Yeah. I can get up there. I can get up there. I'm fucking Spider-Man. God damn it. Why is... What is this? What the fuck is going on with this? Why is he doing that? Why is R2-D2 in this game? Plomp. Oh. Is he killing me? Was that supposed to be a switch or something? Who the fuck made this game? I want to write a letter. No. Stupid. Jesus Christ. Did that switch do anything? Is this supposed to be a door? Oh, jeez. Stop it. Fucking more. Spider douche. What do I do now? Am I supposed to... Climb, bitch! Why can't he climb now? So I can't climb up there? Okay. Oh. Oh. Wait. So I was supposed to make all those things green? And I just went up there and jumped over R2-D2 and made it red. How the fuck am I supposed to know that? Jesus. Now what? Okay, so I got 2 of them that are green. Well, 3. Oh, the door opened! Holy shit. We're getting somewhere. What the fuck? I didn't want to do that. Okay. What? Okay. What? What? Okay. No. Get... Now what? Why is this yellow platform here? What am I supposed to do something with this? Huh? What the fuck just happened? Well, this room changed. What? This game is so cool. Jesus. This is awful. Oh, there's something changed here. You dumb dickweed. Is something different here? What? Oh, that's different. Wait. No, it's not. That was always like that. How the fuck do I get up there? Happy New Year, folks. Greatest game ever. Okay, officer. Be gentle. Be gentle with me. Ah! Alright, I think I had enough of this shit. It's terrible. This is not good. Let's see what else the great Amiga has to offer. Let's go back to A. A's a good letter. Really good. Axel's Magic Hammer. You know you gotta play that. Or not. DJ Mike scored 100 points. Is that his magic hammer? I got a cherry. No! I didn't do that. Stop shooting me! Why can't I jump higher now? Whoop! Shit. Fucker. What? Hey, I wanted that test tube. Wait. What the fuck is this statue? What is this supposed to be? Coins or something? I don't know what's happening. What does that do? You know, these fucking clouds and the fucking lightning. Not a fan. Stop. No. You fucking bitch. Shit. No, I wanted to continue. God damn it. Fucking game. Alright. Okay. Well, that was that. The fuck was that called? I don't even know. I don't remember. Something about a fucking hammer or something. Let's try B because A, you know. I thought A was a great letter, but apparently A sucks. So, Baba Yaga? Baba Yaga? Okay. Things are looking up. Baba Yaga. That's right. Let's see. Should I choose English or 4 languages I don't understand? I wonder. What should I choose? Oh, this has security things. So I need the manual to solve this. Consult the book of animals. Find the page corresponding to the color of screen and click the symbol associated with the animal displayed. I don't fucking know. Well, I guess that was it. I don't know. This fairy tale offers children pictures he can combine with his fantasies to help. Why is everything in script? Why could they just put it like regular type? It's annoying. Fucking stupid. I chose English, right? Where does the stork go? Click a house. The stork is bringing a sweet baby to the hut where woodcutters live. The stork dropped the baby with a parachute. Choose a face for your hero? Let's see. White lady number 1, white lady number 2, white guy number 1, or white guy number 2? Let's see. Who should we choose here? What the fuck happened? I didn't choose anybody. I was deciding. I don't know. Why am I choosing this? What color are the trousers? I don't care what the fucking color is. Type the name on the keyboard. Are you sure? Type Y for yes or N for no. Yes, I'm sure. What did that say? We're going to hell? Once upon a time, a lovely kingdom where peace reigned. The child delivered by the stork grew big and strong. People made this? Bitch ass lived peacefully in this. One day, I'm reading. One day the room cutters say to bitch ass, my child, the Lord has asked for us to cut down the oak tree far in the forest. Be good, we will soon be home again. Okay? Goodbye, bitch ass. But as soon as... What the fuck is that? Why would parents leave a little baby alone in the middle of the night with an open window? Bitch ass remembers a magic dagger hidden in his parents' dwelling. If bitch ass could find it, he could go after Baba Yaga and the magic. What the fuck is this? Glove. Help bitch ass to look everywhere in the dwelling. Okay. Oh, it's like a graphics adventure. Okay. Okay, bitch ass. Let's do this, bitch ass. No, not there. The dagger isn't in the grinding thing. Bitch ass has found the enchanted dagger. Okay, cool. If magic power can change enemies into tiny mice. Dot. 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 It didn't give me a chance to read it. The fuck? Child ventures into a dark forest. He must be careful of the wild animals. Happy New Year, everybody. Wait. That's bitch ass? What the fuck happened? I thought bitch ass was a baby. Oh. Oh, this is the... Wait. That's it, bitch ass. You nicked him. Be brave and everything will be alright. Kill that eagle, bitch ass. Fight back, bitch ass. Do it. Watch out for the bird. Watch out for the bird, bitch ass. I win. Oh shit. Kill the fox, bitch ass. Eat the mushroom, bitch ass. Take a shit, bitch ass. That's it, bitch ass. Hooray. Fight back, bitch ass. Missed. What the what? How did I miss? Ooh. I turned the snake into a mouse. Be brave and everything will be alright. Well, thank you. Watch out. Bravo. That's it, bitch ass. Okay. Oh. Fucking frog. I nicked him. I didn't kill him, though. Alright. There you go. Wait, what the fuck is this bird doing here? That's it, bitch ass. Finally, bitch ass comes to a large clearing. This game is great. At the edge of the forest, a child sees a strange castle. Could this be the home of Baba Yaga? Who the fuck builds a skull as a front door? When he sees the horrible night skeleton, the child is terribly frightened. Fight back, bitch ass. What? Am I supposed to do something? Wait. What? Oh shit. Shit. Kill him. Kill the fucking skeleton. I'm here holding a gamepad because I'm still thinking that this is a fucking game that requires a gamepad when it's a fucking mouse game. You have set me free. Well, you're welcome. Magic sword lies hidden here. Okay, fine. You have set me... Well, I did it already. Now what? What? Wait. What? Sword's not here. Look somewhere else. Wait. I'm trying. Why isn't the sword in here? It should be in there. Is it in his skull? That's horrible. Why? Is the sword in his skull? What about in the devil? Is the sword in the devil? No. Is the sword in the steps? No. Is the sword in this? Fuck that bat. Hooray! Bitch ass has found the enchanted sword that spits balls of fire. Bitch ass must now cross Baba Yaga's magic forest. Oh boy. Dagger in hand, the child leaves the castle. Baba Yaga's cottage lies at the far end of the magic. Blah, blah, blah. Bitch ass is not frightened. Use the magic. Wait a minute, I was using the gamepad. What am I saying? Yeah. So it's a combination. There's nothing I like more than playing games that require a gamepad on one part and a mouse on the other part. Cool. Fuck is wrong with this tree? Why is bitch ass smiling? Her parents got kidnapped. All right, I can't. I can't do this anymore. I've had enough. As much as I wanted to help bitch ass on a mighty quest to, rescue her parents or whatever, I think it was time to go. Great game so far. Oh. Classic Pac-Man. Is this Pac-Man? I want to see classic Pac-Man. Okay. Hey. I mean, especially the sound effects are spot on. It's a fucking PAL game, though. It's cut off. It's cut off, and I don't like it. This fucking game. I don't want to play a fucked up PAL game. Come on now. Shit. Everybody else having a grand old time setting off fireworks, you know. Going around all happy like 2024 is going to be any better than 2023. It's not. And I'm sitting here playing bitch ass on some Yaga Baga thing. What's crime does not pay? What is this? It's from Titus. Ugh. I'm not tired. Wait, what? No. Fuck Murphy and fuck his law. Crime does not pay. Who the hell is that? Where's the lion? Oh, see, he burned the knot, and now it's crime does pay. Ah, get it? Get it, everybody? How reverent. Oh my god. Select your team. Giuseppe, Giorgio, Sofia. This is too Italian. Oh my god. Asian. Shang Zhu, Irene. Shang Zhu and Irene? What? I'll be the Asians. Okay. Can I go in door number 7? Oh my god, it's Buddha. I want to take Buddha. I can't take Buddha? Wait, what am I supposed to do? Just take shit? Best of Sex Pistols? What? Who the fuck is that guy? That guy just tried to shoot me. Go in! Jesus Christ. I'll take the safe code. I'll take some bullets. Wait. There. How do I... Can I... You bitch! Get out of my way. Go away. How do I shoot him? Wait. Get me out of here. Help. Well, what's that? Is that a syringe or something? Oh, Jesus Christ. How did I do that? What the fuck is happening? I want to exit, but it won't stay on it. Now, you... Jesus! Put that shit away. Put the gun away, you idiot. That's enough. Happy New Year, America. Let's play Scooby and Scrappy Doo. Because I'm sure this will be great. Oh no! This isn't PAL also? No. I don't want to play anything in PAL. God damn it. Shit. Should I just change the setting? I know if it becomes PAL. Hold on. It becomes slower, which I don't want. I don't want it to be slow. Well. Alright, now let's try it. Now let's try this fucking Scooby-Doo game. Yay! Full screen. Whoa. Why does Scrappy Doo have boxing gloves? But wait. I don't remember the cartoon. Does Scrappy Doo have boxing gloves in the cartoon? I don't fucking remember. All I know is when Scrappy Doo came around, that's when Scooby Doo jumped the fucking shark. That I do know. Scrappy Doo sucked. The Scooby Doo gang was just fine without fucking Scrappy Doo. It was just fine. What? Why? Fucking barrel. Jesus. What is that thing? Or was it trying to kill me? Can't go up the stairs. First of all, was those stupid Scooby-Doos with the celebrities, like the Three Stooges and the Harlem Globetrotters. And then they brought in Scrappy-Doo and to fuck up everything. Scrappy-Doo sucks. Fuck Scrappy-Doo. I hate him. Asshole. See what's in tea. Let's see. Oh. Tea kind of blows. Try her. Real Popeye. So there was a fake Popeye, and this guy insisted to have a real Popeye? Ah, I'm blind. Sorry, everybody who's having seizures right now. Yay. Wow. The real Popeye. From Big Nania. Finally, it's available for the Amiga. After receiving so many votes for this popular C64 game, we just couldn't avoid making it our next conversion. If you had a popular C64 game and you wish to bring back the good old memories, send us a letter. Write why you want this game so bad it might be on Amiga soon. There is no closing date. Oh, so I could contact these guys now? All votes will be preserved for our future productions. Period. Contact our new BBS. I want to contact their new BBS. I take no responsibility. Right after the stream, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact their BBS. What's all this shit on the screen right now? Am I supposed to read this? Jedi ate spinach and broke Popeye. Okay. Oh. It's the arcade one. Hey, look, Bluto's carrying an anchor. That's... Actually, this isn't bad. This is... I mean, for the Amiga? Come on. Is this loud enough? I can't... Hold on. Shit. The HOTS is dying. The HOTS is dying. There. You fucking sea hag. Well, wait a minute. Why Popeye melts and then he turns into a fucking tombstone? What the fuck? I don't know how to feel about that. Well, let's see what happens when he gets the fucking spinach. I don't remember Poppy turning green. Okay. Yo! Why is he still flying around? Holy shit. Oh, Bluto's gone now? Oh no, he's back. Get away. Get away. Go. Yo. You... Okay. Hey, it's Wimpy. Boy, in this version of Popeye, Bluto's pretty fucking stupid. He walked right into me. He's supposed to run away. Why is the sea hag on top of Wimpy? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. What? Why'd that happen? You know, wait. You know, all of his... Get back here! This fucking sliding thing is just stuck there. What the fuck? It's supposed to move back and forth. This game is broken. Why am I falling through the fucking slide? You're not supposed to fall through it. Look at this shit. The fucking sea hag just threw the bottle backwards. The hell is going on here? I don't like it. Stop with falling through the sliding platform. Stop it. And why are these ladders look like this? You wouldn't know it was a fucking ladder that you had to climb. See, the ones at the bottom here are perfectly fine. That's what they're supposed to look like. That. But these look like this. It's fucking stupid. Shit. I'm gonna go to that BBS and I'm gonna complain. I'm gonna lodge a complaint. You guys made a stupid version of Popeye. Fix it. This fucking sliding platform is supposed to be sliding, and it's not. I punched that fucking bird. I punched it. And the game is over. Cool. Well, that was mediocre Popeye. For the Amiga. Alright, let's see. I want to end on a high note. Come on now. Gotta find something good here. Come on. Come on. What's Hyperdome? Let's see if Jinkster can save the day. Jinkster! Come on. Oh, hello there. I didn't even notice you. I'm just choosing random games. I don't know what I'm doing. So I chose Jinkster. Can this start? Alright. Thank you for starting. Uh-oh. What is this? Huh? This is a text game? 2 rows of C separated by an traditional. There's no Rolls Royce, but neither are you. Designed by the driver's booth and doors are like on and off the bus. Mounted above the door is a button. Okay. Ding. The other passengers look at you so annoyed they obviously aren't getting off the next stop. The driver turns and glares at you. These ears work, you know. The bus makes an unscheduled stop to allow a ticket inspector aboard. He begins to examine the passenger's tickets as the bus driver drives off again. Okay. The inspector moves along the bus in your direction. Okay. Hey, driver. The door is shut. Tickets, please. The inspector says there's a particular irritating brand of cheerfulness stopped by officials. Okay. I assume I have a ticket and I didn't just get on. Show ticket. I don't know. What the hell? I don't know. So I'm going a never-ending lane? Cool. What's all this stuff up here? Files? Text? Specials? Goodies? Printer? What's that? Why is printer a goodie? What? Okay. Nowhere. Wait, am I off the bus already? This game is so great.